Ever wanted a backup of all your Instagram messages? Or wanted to see deleted message in your Instagram? Instagram now lets you export your all chat history directly to your device. This is perfect for privacy, seeing deleted messages, record keeping, or just saving important conversations. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to export your Instagram messages step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where I simplify social media tips and account management. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before starting. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your main profile dashboard. Step 3. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open your account settings menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Account Center. This section manages your account information and privacy settings. Step 5. Tap on your information and permission. Here you'll find options related to your personal data and activity. Step 6. Select Export your information from the available options. This feature allows you to download your account data. Step 7. Tap on Create Export to begin setting up your download request. You'll now be guided through customization options. Step 8. Choose the correct Instagram profile if you manage multiple accounts. Make sure you select the account whose messages you want to download. Step 9. Select Export to Device. This ensures the file will be downloaded directly to your phone. Step 10. Tap on Customize Information. This allows you to choose exactly what type of data you want to export. Step 11. Uncheck all available boxes carefully. This prevents unnecessary files like photos, videos, or comments from being included. Step 12. Select only the Messages option. Now only your chat history will be included in the export file. Step 13. Tap Save to confirm your selection. Your customization settings will now be applied. Step 14. Go to the Notify section. This is where you set the email address for download notification. Step 15. Enter your active email address carefully. Make sure you have access to this email account. Step 16. Tap Save again to confirm your email. Instagram will send the download link to this address. Step 17. Scroll down and tap Start Export. This officially submits your data export request. Step 18. Enter your Instagram account password for verification. This step confirms that you're the account owner. Step 19. Tap Continue to begin the export process. Instagram will now start preparing your file. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I post clear, professional Instagram tutorials every week to help you stay in control of your account. Step 20. Wait while Instagram prepares your data. Depending on your message history, this may take several minutes. Step 21. Once ready, you will receive a confirmation email in your Gmail inbox. Open your email app and look for the message from Instagram. Step 22. Open the email and tap Export your information. The download process will begin after verification. Step 23. Wait a few moments for the file to finish downloading. Open your device's Downloads folder to locate the file. From there, you can access and view all the deleted messages associated with your account. After downloading, tap the file to open it. Tap Extract and choose Done. Open the extracted folder to see all your Instagram messages. Scroll through the tabs and open any chat, including all previously deleted messages. And that's how you safely export all your Instagram messages and deleted messages to your device. If this guide helped you, comment below with what Instagram feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching Preyo Phonie, where tech is simple, safe, and stress